Veterans Day emerged as a national holiday from the signing of the Treaty of Versailles following the end of hostilities at the end of World War I. World War I was also known as the war to end all wars. Unfortunately, Americans have learned that this wasn't the war to end all wars. History has shown that every American generation can count on being asked to defend this great nation. During my military service, which began in 1985, I've been blessed to witness an American population that has always been supportive of their military. I'm aware and I know that it hasn't always been that way, but hopefully we've learned what right looks like, and we will remember the extreme sacrifices our veterans and their families give every day. Ladies and gentlemen, I think Americans have it right now. I think we all understand how important service to our nation is, and that we need a strong military to ensure a safe, prosperous future for our generations to come. Every generation has been called on, and every generation has paid a sacrifice for freedom. It's important that we never forget this, and it's important that every generation is ready when their number is called. Thanks to all the veterans. Thank you for your service. And thanks to the citizens who support us. And thanks for attending the ceremony.